you know, your backup cameras and these sorts of things, and all sorts of these sorts of animations. So it flashes through the Nürburgring ring as well. So if you're in, you know, it's a Porsche, right? So it definitely has a race mode and that sort of thing. But we've also got off-board speech rec on here. So this car is connected to the cloud. Okay. So you have always-on connectivity, which means the your media can be served. Like, let's see here. Go to YouTube.com. So this is going to go to the. It's going to load up our Torch browser, and it's going to go to YouTube. There you go. So there we are. And so this is so as far as driver distraction, you know, we're in park right now, so we have the ability to do what capacity touchscreen. Yep, this is a passive touchscreen. So these, as far as hardware is concerned, we have a Panda board for the instrument cluster. That's an OMAP 4430. Okay. And it's kind of the same hardware here. It's based on the same platform. We've got a digital chrono up here. So what this does is it allows you to have your lap timers and that sort of thing. That information will eventually be transferred over to the instrument cluster, so you can see these sorts of things. We have ultimately we'll have a race cam up there as well. Gotcha. So you can see you can record your movements and share that with your social network. Media. So we've got more than three, but we've got three nodes that contain media in the car, and so you can play music from anywhere to anywhere within the vehicle. The driver has control over what the passengers can do, so you can pause their movies to gain you know, kids' attention or whatever. Right. But not the other way around. So they cannot push video to your screen. With this car right now, you can't have media wars in the back, and you can control what the other person is doing. But that could be that's an implementation detail. So. Play songs by Bob Marley. So what we're going to do is, I don't even, like, I've even forgotten where this media resides, on which note it's on, but it'll just play a song by Bob Marley. So one thing that's special about this car, and I believe it's an industry first. I'm going to see if I can gain someone's attention. I'll get them to make a phone call. Just stop that. But please, that'd be great. So what this is, actually I'll get Mark to explain it, because then you can listen to his voice and hear in the quality of the call. So this is an IP-based phone call here. Just going to connect to. We have an audio booth back there. It's Hey. How we doing? How's life in the shower there?
It's pretty good.
So can you detail why this phone call is more significant than a standard phone call?
So what you're hearing here is a full bandwidth, we call it Ultra HD stereo voice call from the car to a playbook 12 feet behind you. And what it is it's a concept for what is possible. What's possible over LTE, perhaps even HSPA. If you have a good data connection and you have voice over that connection, then you can have this kind of quality. And for the car, it actually makes a lot of sense. It's really important because you want to have the best quality and the best intelligibility. And all the effort in the last 7 to 10 years has been about noise reduction and squeezing everything over a narrowband connection using voice codecs that were never designed for that kind of use case. So the important thing about the full bandwidth is going all the way up to 20 kilohertz. You can hear every nuance of my voice and the spatial aspect. So if you're, you can hear me talking all the way over here on your left, I think it is.
Yeah, that's correct.
And now I'm talking all the way over here on your right. And so there's the stereo pan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, we're still talking. You can talk right over it. There's the full duplex echo cancellation going on. So yeah, that's impressive. There you go.
That sounds
so how did that sound?
That sounds fantastic.
Great.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Oh, my finger keeps on rolling. There you go. So what we have, this is off-board navigation as well. So this is from TCS or Telecom Sys is providing this navigation solution. So you have multiple. No, whoops. So you have multiple elements here as well. You've got HTML5 content as well as OpenGL content in the center there. So on the same video plane.
So the the graphics are actually being pulled down off here. None of this stuff is built in internally.
That's correct. This is internal.
Yeah.
The center is the information is being downloaded from the cloud and displayed.
So we use TCS for the navigation provider. They do the offboard nav engine that's running in behind, and then we overlay the HTML5 controls on top of it.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Get rid of this too. But, so one thing that I didn't touch on with the media, or actually I mentioned it, was that you could hear the multiple node control. So I'm just going to touch the right rear seats. I'm going to play a song. Normally we would just have all the music aggregated, and you would be able to just see all of it. But we like to highlight, now we're playing a song that resides on the left rear seats, on the right rear seat, sort of thing. You would just play a song from an album, and then so this will be playing behind you then.
Okay, yeah, I can hear it back there. I'm sorry, was this basically multitasking when you went out to the kind of that exploded view?
Yeah, sorry, yeah, we have the ability to run multiple items as well. These technologies are used in the playbook, so it's not uncommon for our technologies.
Pretty quick port over. Does that mean you can also run Android applications on it as well?
I'll let Nextdoor speak to that.
Okay.
I'm not touching that one.